Thank you for joining us for this first edition of the Quick Hit video series presented by Eaton Wiring Devices. Today we're going to talk about Arrow Hart color-coded locking devices. Let's begin by saying there's over 200 different locking configurations. These accommodate the various power systems and equipment used in the electrical industry. Is it any wonder there's confusion when deciding which is the proper device to use in a specific application? Eaton recognized this problem and developed a solution to make things a little easier. We've employed a color coding scheme for the 62 most commonly used 20 and 30 amp locking configurations. 6 colors help to identify the circuit voltage. By the way, this color scheme is nothing new. It's based on the IAC standard for pin and sleeve devices and has been around for decades, so many people are already familiar with it. For example, here's a pin and sleeve plug-in connector. I can immediately see these two do not go together simply by noting the different colors. The yellow is 125 volt and the blue is 250. Here's how it looks for two similar locking configurations. Now let's take a closer look at the NEMA L1430. This is a 30 amp 3-pole 4-wire grounding. It has dual single-phase voltages of 125 and 250 and is most commonly used in temporary power applications. The orange color provides an easy way to identify these devices. Note the orange colored ring on the face of the receptacle. Now, while this is covered up when the plug is inserted, we can still see the orange lip of the plug, so the color code is visible while in use. The same is true when the connector is plugged into the flange inlet. Finally, here are some of the most common NEMA configurations and applications. Note how the different colors coincide with these different uses. In conclusion, the Arrow Hart color-coded locking system helps the user to quickly identify the voltage rating of devices during installation and while in use, adding a greater level of safety and convenience on the job. Thanks again for joining us. If you're in the Gulf region and want to learn more about this or any of our other products, please contact our agent in your area. There's also a link to each agent website in the section below this video window.